Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Tiana and dress them dress without VIP. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and combine it with this one, and then you're going to color it with this color and put on this necklace and color it with this color and put on this heels, make it this green color, and then this crown from the kids item and select toggle 2. And for the color, you're going to color it with this color. Alright, and then I'm going to move to the changing room and I'm going to select this one. And then for the color, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection. Oops, sorry, this one. Make it this color for the first selection and make it this color for the second selection, and for the third selection, make it this color. And then we're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, done guys. And then I'm going to select this top from the Madoka set, and we're going to remove everything. Okay, and then for the color, make it this color for the first selection, and for the second selection, I'm gonna make it this color. And we're going to make it glitter. And then I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area. Oops, before we're going there, we can put on this corset, and then again we're going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the next selection make it this color, this one, and then this one. And for the lace, I'm gonna make it this color, and the last one make it this color, and again we're going to make it glitter. Okay, done. And then I'm going to put on this gloves and remove the fur, and for the color apply this color, and don't forget to change the material to glitter. Done. And move to the world culture clothing area, put on this item, and again we're going to make it this green color and make it glitter. Okay, and I'm going to put on this skirt as well, and for this one make it the same green color, and then change the material to glitter. Okay, done guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Princess Tiana in Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!